Hi, East Butler Foods class. This is Mrs. Bongers, and I am going to try to upload a video about cooking some meat for you. I've shared some things on Google Classroom with you that you need to do this week, but I just thought I'd show you. I'm going to make some ribs here. I'm at my own house, so I'm going to turn this heat down because it's rolling up on me pretty quick. So anyway, what I have done is I've had a pot of water and filled it about half full of water. I've got a pan here, some tongs. In that pot of water, I used these seasonings. I used about a teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of onion powder, tablespoon of pepper. My new favorite spice is smoked paprika, so I put some of that in there, and some salt. I could put any kind of seasonings into this boiling water that I want, but those are the ones I chose. I've got garlic pepper here I could use. If I wanted to make them a little more spicy, I could use cayenne pepper. So what I have here is a package of ribs, country style pork ribs. It cost me $10.83. I bought it on Monday. I used half of this pack of meat the other day. I took about half of them out, pan fried them, a little bit of oil in a skillet, flour, and floured the ribs, flipped them in the skillet. They were just a little brown on the outside, put them in a pan and popped them in the oven, baked them for about another 45 minutes to an hour, made made sauerkraut and dumplings to go along with that. So we had pork and dumplings. I saved the other half of this for ribs that we're having tonight on Thursday night. So I'm feeding a family of 4 for $10.83. We're getting 2 meals out of this. So I have mixed up this concoction, and then I have lowered my ribs in there. I'm only cooking them for about 10 minutes. So I'm going to take these out of the water right now. They are not cooked all the way through. They are just cooked a little bit, heated a little bit. The idea behind boiling these ribs before you could grill them or bake them or anything is that boiling them in this seasoning is going to soften up this fat. You see that fat in that meat? It's going to soften up that fat in that meat, and it'll make it easier to chew or come off the bone later on. So my plan is I'm going to continue boiling these, bring these to a boil again, about 10-15 minutes. I'm going to place them then in this pan. And then on the top of them, we'll just like honey barbecue, so I'm going to drizzle some honey over the top of these, and then I'm going to put some barbecue sauce on either the cookies or the Sweet Baby Ray's, coat them with that, cover them with foil, and put them in the oven for about an hour, and take the foil off and eat them. If you wanted something spicier, I've got this buffalo sauce here at my house. I'm just using whatever I have. So anyway, just an idea when you have to cook with meat this week. Bye.